Kublai phi baru kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasngi. Umantri ka puli puthi ka jilau ma Lahkmen rumbui lo ong baka sarkar Meghalaya klalaban pen kladori ka puli puthi hadian baka jila kla kiuna ka kedan Akanshi 3 syaka Akanshi 1 haga performance grading index PGI 2.0 jung ka sarkar India. Habakran syakilat pathai khubor umantri lo ong balabun ki jingken no ba jingken tho ki ba ong baka Meghalaya kedan bahapo tham haga puli puthi. hynrei ula ong baka kai phat bathamai jong ka PGI ka pin ishai baka jila ka lakiu na ka sauspa sau phra point haus nem 8,000 arpsau 8,000 arpsan sha ka sanspa arpho san point new hui point haus nem 8,000 arpsan 8,000 arpnriu ka bamut ka jingkiu hadu chispa arpsau point live hui person bar ka jila ka larung haka kedan Akanshi 1 Lahkmen ula ong bakani ka jingero kamshama jahi rei ka dei ka jingmi na kisinjam ba ka sarkar jila kalashim hakini kisnem tentup ka jingpen bhai krukam hikai ka jingpen klan ni kinong hikai ka jingpen bet iki jingte school ka jingerap iki school lingba ki scheme ba pher bar ka jingpen kam bhai ki core digital bar ka data quality Ulong ru baka sarkar kandang beteng ban kentiu ka puli puthi khnang baka Meghalaya kan na ban kiu shuh haki benta kum ka learning outcomes ka jingpen bhai ka jingte school ba ka jing hikai ka bakhamba shuh umantri lapan pau ka jing sngongo iginong hikai ki principal ki khna school ki kmi ki pa bat baro ki balano senyang hakani ka jing job ka ba pelong ka Meghalaya ban kenjo shika kadan ka bakham shalor ha ka performance grading index jongkari India
which are in Akanshi 3. And we inform you that in the next PGI score, it will reflect all the work, the hard work, which the government of Meghalaya and all the stakeholders are doing. So that's why reading from Akanshi 1, there is Akanshi bracket, but we jump straight from Akanshi 3, there is Akanshi 2, but we jump straight to Akanshi 1. So no state since the inception, since the institution of this PGI score has able to jump 2 grade in 1 year. So this is a very happy moment for the education department and more importantly for the people of the state. As I used to say that it is a work in progress. When the people are thinking that the Meghalaya is always at the bottom of the ranking, we admit. But we know that we are doing a great work. That's why let me quote the words of Samuel Smile. Great results cannot be achieved at once, and we must satisfy to advance in life as we walk step by step. So this progressive in ranking in quality education since 2018 under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister is because we have identified what we have to do, and more importantly, we are doing what it is need to be done. Having said that, this particular performance will not happen without the contribution of everybody. That's why let me quote unquote from Henry Ford. Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is a progress, working together is a success. So this result is the working together from the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. The officers in the education department from Commissioner Secretary, Mantri, and the other officers who are working before also, and the officers at the directorate, the officers, the DSEO, the SDSEO, the BRC, the BRP, the teachers, the managing committee, the parent. It is all the collective responsibility of each and everyone. They contribute to this achievement of this ranking. So my dear friend, as I said, that for us, it is a work in progress. And if we tell we are satisfied, no, because you have seen that our score we are with the 13th state. We are together now. The state of Uttar Pradesh, the state of Chhattisgarh, the state of West Bengal, the Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Tripura, Jharkhand, Mizoram, Manipur, Jammu and Kashmir, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, and Meghalaya. These 13 states are in the Akanshi 1, the progressive of 2 steps in 1 year. Yes, you may ask me the score. Yes, the score still, but we should be satisfied. I credit all my officers, all at the secretariat, at the directorate, at the subdivision level, the district level, because the continuous work which they do, it is paying off. But I urge them, as I said before, time and again, that education is a very dynamic, it changes every time. So I urge all the stakeholders, let's work together, we will progress, because the progressive we have seen in this, we will share with you the press release, but I'll just share here. From 2022-23, our score is 401.62. In 23-24, our score is 417.90. And in the year 2024-25, it is 448. But now, 25-26 is 525.71. So Meghalaya is the first improving state in the country under the PGI framework, because of the overall increase in the last 4 years. It is 124.09 point, a growth of 31%. So not only that, as I said, that this will not happen without intervention, because we know what is to be done. So the government have addressed most of the thing related to quality education. Because what is PGI? PGI ranking means to keep, the purpose is to determine ourselves where we stand, so that we will able to improve every year. So that's why in the last 8 years, we have seen the improvement in score, though the ranking is not that improved, except when we see this year is really improved very much. We have able to do in many things. Now when we talk about the component of the governance process, now when we talk about governance, we have seen that we are improving so much, because when we talk about governance process, how to streamline, we know that we have 14,000 plus schools. We know there is a problem of zero enrollment. We know there is a problem of administration. But these are all we are trying to address. Had we had the task been complete? No, it is a work in progress. And when we talk about the domain of the teachers' education and training, now this is one of the main criteria which determine the quality education. So since 2018, we have implemented that all the teachers should have the requisite qualification, and more importantly, that because teachers or anybody in education today, we have to learn, relearn, train and retrain. So that's why, besides of all the intervention, we also set up the Meghalaya Teachers Training Academy. This for to see that we will get a quality teachers. But the teachers could be trained in the state. Besides the other intervention, and not only to train, we have to see also at the welfare of the teachers. So recognizing these two components together, we have seen the problem faced by the different section of the teachers. So Honorable Chief Minister, myself, and not to forget my predecessor, Rakam Salma. In the last 8 years, we try how to do what is to be done, and I'm very thankful. We need a strong leadership to able to take this major decision, which involved from 650 crore a jump out to about 840 crore. So, Ba Mantri and his team are working very hard to make the stakeholder understand that what we are to do. So we have brought this structured pay framework where there is a security, there is a surety, and once they get to perform their duty to the best of their ability. Another thing which needs to be the domain is the infrastructure and facilities. This is very important. Chief Minister used to say, and myself used to say, that in 2018, when we have a meeting with Deden Commissioner Secretary, retired Commissioner Secretary, Badi Piwala, when we see the condition of government school, we see it is, I cannot express myself. Then Chief Minister asked us in the education department how much it need to be done. We told that we need about 2,000 crore just to improve the infrastructure of the schools in the state. We didn't talk for about few minutes, but after that, Honorable Chief Minister just mentioned, let's do it. And we start with a phase 1 for a primary and upper primary, phase 2, phase 3, and now phase 4. Besides that, there is intervention from Deden SSA, the Samakriya Abhiyan, now intervention from the Asian Development Bank, from the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. We try to look at all the fund to be able to improve the facilities in the schools. Now we have seen that many schools, we are trying to solarize them. We keep a solar, we try to keep a toilet. And just the other day, for the welfare of the girls' child, and not only girls' child, other amenities in the schools, She Tribe, Chief Minister has launched on the 2nd of this month. So these are all the intervention for the infrastructure and facilities. Have we finished? No. It is a work in progress. And when we talk about equity is our strong domain. Domain 4 is a very strong point. You will see that since the beginning, 205 is our score. Why? Because accessibility. 14,000 plus schools we are having in the state of Meghalaya. So we are bound to be very strong on this domain. But all the schools are able to give a quality education? No. As I said, there are some schools which have only few teachers. Even now, so challenge is there. There are some schools which the building is there. There are some schools and there are some schools which are zero enrollment. There are some schools in one campus. Primary is different units, upper primary is different units, and secondary is different units, and higher secondary is second units. So the department, under the leadership of our Commissioner Secretary, Vijay Mantri, IAS, they work very hard, and we are able to merge some of the school. So now, as of now, we have tried to bring down this number of school without compromise on the accessibility, without compromise on the numbers of the teachers, from 14,000 to about 12,000. Have we finished? No, it is a work in progress. And while being so, there are some minor issue here and there. We will try to solve it in due course of time.